Hi guys, so as we all know, today is very special, and there are two very good things about today. That is, one is today is Saturday, a week off, and second one is today is salary day, right? 31st. Cheers. So let me not waste much of the time and quickly find some good and bad things about Sushant. Oh, all right. No, not this one. Not this one. This is bad again. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, where was that good one? All right. Okay. Oh no, 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 not again. Oh yes, here I found. So wish you many happy returns of day, sir. You are one of the most maverick, courageous person I have ever seen. Empty. So let me take you to a virtual tour of my shop, Unity in Diversity. I wish whenever you are here, you have it all. A very, very happy birthday, sir. Cheers.
सुशांत भाई साहब ने जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
Hi Sushant, happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hello, boss. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Stay safe and healthy. Party hard.
Hey Sushant, happy birthday. Many returns of the day. Expecting a party when we all will meet and enjoy your day. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Hi Sushant, many happy returns of the day. So one funny thing which I would like to recommend on your birthday is that we should name it as Solutions Gyan Day, and I would like to hear more from you on Hindi Sahitya and history, because of late I understood that you have a great knowledge of these subjects, and it would help us to learn something different as well as revise in case we have forgotten what we have learned. Cheers, happy birthday once
Hi,
again.
this is Isha, and I think that it's been a really short time since I know Sushant, but so far I think he's really energetic to work with, and apart from that, I usually found him in a really happy, jolly kind of a mood, and I believe that मतलब मैंने सुना था बहुत लोगों से that he is very much strict, बहुत डांट सुनने को मिलती है, but I'm lucky कि अभी तक ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, but and I hope ho bhi nahi. So wish you many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Hey Sushant, wish you a very happy birthday. So blending in with the theme of the video, the things that I like about you are you carry a certain energy and a lot of sarcastic humor to the meetings, and it lightens up the mood and I absolutely enjoy it. And then you have a knack of learning new things and you ensure that you share them with the team too. So it's one thing that I really admire about you. It's like never a dull day, and your team keeps getting to learn the most unexpected things in the most unexpected ways. Now getting to the part that I'm not very fond of is there are times when the sarcasm becomes a riddle for me and it's like an endless code for me to decipher. So that's where it gets very difficult and at the same time very funny. So that's the only thing. I don't really have a whole list of dislikes for you. That's just one thing. And having said that, wish you a very happy birthday again. May you have a great year ahead and all your numbers sums up to the targets that you like to achieve. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Sushant sir. I hope you have a fun-filled and rocking birthday. Enjoy your day. Party hard.
Hi Sushant, many happy returns of the day. On his birthday, I want to tell you about a habit of Sushant, that whenever he's not happy with any reply, then he addresses you by some funny name. On personal front, I heard Bauji, Uncle, Babu, and Chacha, not that Mirzapur one, and counting. So happy birthday Sushant Bauji, have fun.
सुशांत जी को उनके अवतरण दिवस पर बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू
Hello Shushant, many happy returns of the day. God bless you and have a great year ahead.